Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Halo is probably one of the most anticipated releases for the Nintendo Switch, bringing the iconic first-person shooter experience to a whole new platform with a collection of beloved titles. This compilation offers a chance for both longtime fans and newcomers to dive into the rich lore and engaging gameplay that has defined the Halo universe for years, all playable on the go or dock to your television. Get ready to experience epic battles, compelling stories, and the thrill of Master Chief's adventures like never before, as we explore what makes this port a must-have for any Switch owner looking for a dose of classic shooter action. Number 5. Pokémon Legends, Arceus, US version. Experience a fresh take on the Pokémon series where action and RPG elements combine. Get ready for an adventure unlike any you've seen before. Observe Pokémon in their natural habitats, approach them stealthily, and skillfully use your Pokeballs to capture them. It's a whole new way to interact with these creatures. Engage in battles with two distinct styles, the speedy agile style or the powerful strong style. Choose your approach and dominate your opponents. Journey to the Hisui region, the ancient past of Sinnoh, and embark on the monumental task of completing the region's very first Pokédex. Discover its secrets. Delve into the story of the mythical Pokémon Arceus, the central figure in this captivating and mysterious tale. Uncover the truth behind its legend. What we like. If you are looking for a fresh take on the Pokémon formula with a focus on exploration and research, this is for you. Its unique approach to catching and battling offers a different experience than traditional Pokémon games. Consider this if you enjoy open-world exploration and a more hands-on approach to interacting with Pokémon. What people say. The game is a faithful remake of the original Halo, combat evolved, with updated graphics and sound. The multiplayer mode offers a variety of classic Halo maps and game types, providing hours of fun. The campaign is engaging and challenging, with intelligent AI that keeps players on their toes. Number 4. Orzly Accessory Bundle Kit for Nintendo Switch. Introducing the ultimate accessory bundle designed for your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED. It offers comprehensive protection, ensuring your console stays safe whether you're traveling or storing it. Elevate your gameplay with accessories crafted to enhance your gaming sessions. These additions are perfect for bringing your favorite games to life. Enjoy a more comfortable grip during extended play with the included grip case. Plus, keep your controllers ready with the convenient charging station. This bundle features premium accessories, highly rated by top tech publications. It's the premier choice for protecting and enhancing your console. Developed by a team of passionate tech enthusiasts, each product is designed with meticulous attention to detail. We stand by our quality with a 1-year replacement warranty. This comprehensive kit includes everything from protective cases and screen protectors to racing wheels, Joy-Con grips, and a charging station, ensuring you have all the essentials. What we like. If you're a new Nintendo Switch or OLED owner and want to ensure your console is protected and your gaming experience is elevated, this bundle is a fantastic choice. It covers all the essentials from protection to enhanced controls. You should choose this if you want peace of mind and a more comfortable, immersive gaming session right out of the box. What people say. The game is a faithful remake of the original Halo, combat evolved, with updated graphics and sound. The controls are tight and responsive, making it easy to aim and shoot. The multiplayer mode is a blast, with plenty of maps and game types to choose from. Number 3. Metroid Dread, US version. Join Samus Aran in the first new 2D Metroid story in 19 years. Embark on an unforgettable journey. Explore the planet ZDR's many environments as you investigate a mysterious transmission. Uncover its secrets. Deadly EMI robots, research machines, pose a threat more intense than ever. You must survive their pursuit. Feel Samus' power grow as you gain new maneuvers and abilities. Master the new Spider Magnet ability. Power up and return to previous areas to find new paths and secrets. Discover everything the planet has to offer. What we like. If you're a fan of classic 2D Metroid games or enjoy challenging, atmospheric exploration with a sci-fi horror twist, this is a must-play. The new EMI encounters add a level of tension rarely seen in the series. You should consider this if you appreciate intricate level design, rewarding exploration, and a sense of dread. What people say. The movement in Dread has been overhauled and really had some nice thought put into it. Between being able to slide, and the new phase mechanic, traversing the maps can be really fluid. There are definitely secrets, quite a few power-ups, and nice abilities. The EMMI sections are incredibly tense without becoming too stressful or overstaying their welcome. Number 2. Gammeefy Hall Effect Switch Controller. Tired of frustrating joystick drift? This controller uses advanced Hall Effect technology to ensure permanent precision. Enjoy pixel-perfect control in all your favorite games, with a lifespan 10 times longer than traditional controllers. Experience ultimate comfort with its full-size ergonomic design. Larger buttons and a spacious D-pad make gameplay more intuitive. It's compatible with your console and charges easily via USB-C. For the most competitive play, switch to wired mode for near-instantaneous response. This plug-and-play design bypasses wireless interference, giving you the edge in fast-paced games. Dominate shooting games with customizable turbo functionality. Set your preferred rapid-fire speed and eliminate the need for constant button mashing. Be the last one standing. Feel every in-game moment with dual vibration motors that replicate realistic feedback. Its precise gyroscope offers superior motion control for immersive gameplay. This integrated controller design helps protect your console by distributing pressure evenly. We also offer dedicated tech support and after-sales service for your peace of mind. What we like. If you demand precision and reliability in your gaming, especially for competitive titles, this controller is an excellent upgrade. The Hall Effect joysticks eliminate drift, and the wired connection ensures minimal input lag. You should choose this if you want a durable, responsive controller that offers a comfortable grip for long gaming sessions. What people say. The game is a faithful remake of the original Halo, Combat Evolved, with updated graphics and sound. The controls are tight and responsive, making it easy to aim and shoot. The multiplayer mode is a blast, with plenty of maps and game types to keep you entertained. Number 1. Jumanji, the video game, Nintendo Switch. Embark on an epic adventure filled with laughter and action. Can you survive the ultimate challenge and leave your world behind? You and your teammates must recover the jewels to save Jumanji. Gather your friends for split-screen play or go solo with AI companions. An army of evil marauders and deadly beasts await. Dodge treacherous traps and unlock cool customizations as you progress. Step into the shoes of heroes like Dr. Bravestone and Ruby. Utilize their unique abilities and embrace their hilarious failings to save the day. Join up to 3 friends or AI teammates in online or split-screen modes. Work together to defeat enemies and survive deadly challenges. Experience a hilarious new 3D action adventure. Play as movie heroes and face the ultimate test in this exciting game. What we like. If you're a fan of the Jumanji movies and looking for a fun, cooperative adventure game, this is a great pick. It captures the spirit of the films with its blend of action, humor, and challenging gameplay. You should consider this if you enjoy playing with friends, either online or in split screen, and like overcoming obstacles together. What people say. The game has great graphics. They've been playing Jumanji the video game, point 1, for 2 hours now and they love it. They're playing 2-player. Great game for this age group. Our kids are experienced Switch users so they jumped right in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.